Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good afternoon, everyone. I've just had lunch. I'll just go back to the battery thing and explain to you what's going on to the battery box on the ute. Now, typically for a winch, well, the one I got anyway, it came with 35mm squared wire, which is okay because a winch is only meant to be used for probably 60 seconds at a time and then allowed to cool down and then used again. Bit undersized by my book, but anyway, I tend to write my book a bit different. My favourite saying is, used oversized wire and prevent a fire, and always fuse everything. Let's have a look. Now, you'll notice some gunk on all my connections, and basically it's this stuff here. It's a protector and a sealer for battery connections. My mate absolutely swears by it, and he left that here for me yesterday to give it a go. Alright, you'll see I've done the insides of the trailer as well as having plastic covers on. It's also got that plastic sealer on the terminals. In case you're wondering, that one there, that's to plug me C-Tech charger in. It's got a set of jumper leads on it right now, little ones, but they don't have to be any bigger than that because it's only short wire, and that plugs in there. If I need to charge off a generator, I can plug the C-Tech one in there. And of course the Victron one, which is over here, there it is there. Okay, there it is there. It's mounted upside down, I know. It's hardwired, but that one there I can pull out and charge my car or somebody else's. So I'm just here testing the winch and the wiring. That lead there, that's we measured it at 6.5 meters, 2/0. It'll well and truly handle bursts of 400 amps plus is what a winch gives it. However, the way I set the winch up, it doesn't use anything like that because I always return it back to the vehicle. But what I'm doing now is charging this thing. It's a bit stupid really. The only way to charge it is to plug it into a winch. You think they'd have a better way than that, but I guess it makes you test your winch every now and then. Works well. Alright. So it's just sitting there. Now they plug in really firm because what happens when you plug these in, they actually pull down on the rubber, okay, and pull in, and there's no rattle, there's no but they're not meant to be permanent, they're only plugged in there, very temporary. This is a dual coated wire, this is a single coat, which is why it looks a bit skinnier, but they're both 2/0. And when we're not using it, there's the switch down there. We take that switch out and we've got a cover that pushes on it to stop any dirt getting in there. Yeah, it's going okay. It's going okay. There's a lot of work and expense in putting this all together, but I tell you what, we've only got to use it once. If we get bogged out there in the desert, it's only got to be used once. And yeah, so the expense is well worth it. That should work really, really well if we ever need it to. Alright, should work really well. She's heavy, I can tell you that much. Keep safe everyone, fine.